Employees can be one of the most valuable, if not the most valuable asset to any organization. But hiring good employees can be tough. Therefore, it's in your best interest to develop your employees. Meanwhile, a lack of learning and development can create a decline in interest and lead to a loss of productivity from your key personnel. Although it may seem like staff development will cost you time and money, staff development is an investment that can help maximize your staff's contribution to the organization. This program covers developing your staff into better people for your organization. Topics included are identifying staff that can grow with your organization, staff training and development, motivation and losing motivation, growing your organization, using mistakes as a learning tool, promotion, and staff empowerment.